I'm out here working on my car again. I got a new battery because the battery was bad. And I'm about to take out the starter. So I thought the starter was bad, so I'm gonna go ahead and test it right here. What's happening is when I turn on the car, I can hear it spinning, but I can't hear it clicking. It's supposed to come in and out at the same time. So when I touch this one, nothing happens. This one's supposed to be the one clicking. This one is the one that spins. This up because I need to make the connection with both of them. Both of them are, one's supposed to spin, one's supposed to click. That one doesn't even click. This one spins and it doesn't click. I did this test when the starter was grounded with the car, and it did the same thing. I was just showing you guys how to test the starter. Okay, so O'Reilly's is gonna give me $33 for the starter. And I'm going to go get another starter from the junkyard tomorrow for $35. It's going to cost me $2 to fix. Yeah, around $2. Can't wait.